If you're starting from scratch and you want to make your first 10K online before Christmas, then this is the video you need to watch. This is going to work even if you have no money, no skills, or experience at all. Not only is what I'm about to show you currently making me over 12K a month online, but it's also worked for all these other students, a part of my community. So it's not just luck, this proves that I'm able to take whatever I've done over the last 2 years and be able to implement it within all of these students right here. All of these students started in the exact same position as me with no money, no email list, or literally zero experience. This business isn't any e-com store, it's not crypto, it's not day trading, any of that good stuff. I do something called white labeled SaaS. White labeled SaaS, all that stands for is white labeled software as a service. We are allowed to take an amazing software platform called High Level. I'm going to speak about that more in a second. We're allowed to take High Level, upload our own logo on the software and go out and sell to businesses around our local area for whatever price we want. Currently, right now, I have between 30 and 40 clients paying me between 97 and 497 euros every single month. The reason they do this is because it adds so much value to their business. It doesn't matter if it's a website, a CRM, email marketing, SMS marketing, reputation management, it literally doesn't matter. I give this all to my clients so they're able to just implement it within their business and start generating not only a ton of extra revenue online, but also a ton of extra Google reviews, so ultimately they can start bringing in more revenue down the line. There's hundreds, if not thousands, of businesses in your area, around your cities and around your states that literally need exactly what you can offer. And the thing is, you can start offering this tonight. You can get signed up for this for completely free. There's zero startup costs whatsoever, and you can literally start generating revenue by tomorrow morning. All you gotta do is have a laptop, a Wi-Fi connection, you gotta know how to follow a few simple videos, and you're literally good to go. So we're gonna head over to the laptop and I'm gonna show you exactly how my website looks. And it's pretty simple. As you can see up the top, it just says, get all your sales outreach and client management done in one place. And the best part about this business model is we can sell this to whatever industry and whatever location. So it doesn't matter if your clients are gonna be gyms or restaurants or real estate agencies. I have clients in literally all of these different industries. The best part is you don't need to niche down, you don't need to stick with one pricing. You can charge, a real estate agency a bit differently that you're going to charge a cafe. So you're not really tied into any niche. You can just start reaching out to these businesses, whether you're going to do in-person meetings or you're going to do cold calls, whatever, and you can just sell this to them. So just going to give a brief overview of my website right here. If you scroll down, it has just some of the basic features that we have, like online reviews. So this is something called reputation management. We're able to go to businesses and help them get more positive Google reviews or TripAdvisor reviews or Booking.com reviews, whatever review platform you want to use. We're not only able to help them get more positive reviews, but we're able to internalize and hide the negative reviews. And the best part and the most powerful part about all this is, getting more positive reviews is obviously a must. It's every single business needs that. But if there's also a ton of negative reviews going in publicly to the business, it's going to drastically harm their ranking on Google or whatever review platform. So we're able to literally just post the positive reviews publicly, but we're able to internalize and hide all the negative reviews. And I have another video on this. You can check that out on my channel. I'm going to leave the link for that down below in the description. Then we have things like a web chat. As you can see, I have a web chat on my website right here in High Level, literally just during the week at their Level Up Summit in Dallas, Texas, launched. So this is not just a place for your clients to leave messages, but there's also a live chat now in here as well. Your clients can take payments and invoice. So let's just say your client is a barber shop or they're a hair salon or whatever. They're able to literally start taking payments from their clients. It's called Tap to Pay. You can literally just scan their card through the mobile app and you're good to go. We got a sales CRM in here, and the best part about the sales CRM and the reason why I love High Level so much is because you're not capped any contacts, you're not capped on whatever amount of staff members you have. If your customers were to go out to another CRM and maybe use something like HubSpot or whatever, they're going to be set back hundreds, if not thousands, every single month, depending on the amount of people on their platform. But with High Level, you're able to provide this to your clients at whatever price you want. Of course, you can limit the amount of contacts they have, or you can limit the amount of staff members, but I like to give all my clients literally everything unlimited for one flat fee, whether it's going to be, 100 a month or 300 a month, whatever it is, I just provide that. And then you scroll down the website, you can see we got a few more things, like we got the reviews again on here, we got the conversations. So with High Level, we have what's called a 5-in-1 inbox CRM, and we can go to our clients and help them integrate their emails, their text messages, their Instagram DMs, Facebook messages, and Google My Business all in the one place. So instead of your clients end up missing messages for using all these different apps and all these different platforms, we're able to put all the messages all into the one place, and your clients can directly reply to those messages, literally all from the one place. They can tag those contacts so they know exactly what platform they came from. Maybe you can tag them if they're actually booked in for an appointment, or if they paid, or if they're not interested anymore, you can tag this so you can actually help your clients keep track of everything. And then I got a few of my client testimonials and everything on here, and we have some apps like Growth Rate, which is my white labeled SaaS, which again, this is just white labeled high level. It's extremely powerful. And the most powerful part about this is you don't even need to know how to code. You don't need to know how to develop anything. All you really need is 5 clients paying you $500 a month. You're already making an extra $2,500 a month in revenue. And the best part is it's completely passive. Your clients be paying you for this every month, and the profit margins, my margins are between 90 and 95% every month. This is literally just due to all the different software costs that I use externally outside of high level to get more clients and everything, but I'll make another video on that. We're gonna head straight over to my pricing page, and you'll notice that I have my 3 plans on here. I got my $197 a month, I got $397 a month, and $497 a month. You can sell this for whatever price you want. You could sell this at $250 a month or $629 a month, whatever you want to sell this for. The maximum that I've ever had, and the biggest client that I have to date, has been paying me $900 every single month. And the only difference in what they get is just the amount of support, and maybe they have some extra staff members, so it's just going to be an extra bit of work. And it also depended on that industry right there. That was a recruitment agency, which you're not going to really charge your small to medium sized restaurants or cafes the same price. It's just because the opportunity was there. They needed a lot from me. They literally just use my website, model my pricing, and you'll be able to just start selling this. But the thing is, don't expect to have a ton of people coming across your website and just straight up signing up. The hardest part about all this is actually reaching out to these businesses and getting them booked on demo calls and getting them booked on sales calls, and ultimately just signing them as a client, getting them over the line. Actually getting signed up for high level itself and getting it all signed up and integrating all the different tools and everything together, which it's not really much work at all, will only take you like 2 to 3 hours maximum. It seems like everyone can do this, but when it comes to actually putting in the hard work and doing what needs to be done, which is reaching out to those businesses, picking up the phone, start dialing, doing cold calls, going door to door, that's where people really start lacking. So all you gotta do is choose whatever outreach method that you want to use. Again, whether it's gonna be cold calls or going door to door, doing Facebook messages or joining Facebook groups, pick one. And over the next 30 days, and the reason why I say 30 days is because High Level partnered up with me recently to offer an extended 30-day free trial, completely free, for High Level itself. The link for that is going to be right down below. It's the first link down there. This will give you enough time to not only get everything set up, which it should only just take a few hours if you follow my course that I give out, yes, for completely free, but it'll also give you enough time to get those first few clients in the door. There's no excuses why you can't have a few clients maybe paying you $100 a month or $500 a month within the next 60 days. You literally just sign up for High Level itself, the link for that down below. I will personally send you all my courses and all my weekly community calls pre-recorded. You'll get access to all my weekly calls and all my bi-weekly guest calls within my community. This is all coaching calls, it's all complimentary, it's all completely free. I will send that over to you once you get signed up for High Level, and there's literally no excuse why you can't hit 5K a month. Usually through the High Level website directly, they only have a 14-day trial on there, but they've been kind enough to partner up with me to offer that extended 30-day free trial. These don't come about very often. They literally handpick a few people to actually offer these to. And there's more proof to show you that I know exactly what I'm talking about. High Level invited me out recently to their Level Up Summit out in Dallas, Texas, and I received an award on stage. I'll have a screenshot here up on the screen right here. There I am, up collecting my award. They gave me this for everything that I have been doing within the community over the last year. So if that just doesn't prove that I know what I'm talking about, then I don't know what will. So if you do want to get this up and running and work with me one-to-one directly for completely free, and also get access to the Start Your SaaS course and the weekly calls and the bi-weekly guest calls, all you got to do is sign up for your extended 30-day free High Level trial. Again, it's the first link down in the description. You'll instantly receive access to all the courses and pretty much everything that you need to scale this from a complete beginner to making your first 5K a month online within the next 60 days. You'll be able to chat with me one-on-one at any time you want, and you'll be able to ask any questions at all. I'll give you access to your own website template, so you don't need to worry about spending hours and hours trying to develop a website for your SaaS itself. You can literally just deploy the website that I've created into your own account, get it up and running in under 30 minutes, so you're literally ready to just start selling this as soon as you get signed up. You get all my outreach scripts and all my templates and everything. It is literally unreasonable for you not to do this. All you gotta do is take the hardest step, which is go down below in that first link, Sign up for high level. Reach out to me whenever you get signed up. You can send me over a message over on my Instagram. I'll leave the link for that also down below. Let me know when you're signed up. I'll make sure you get access to everything I just mentioned, and I'm looking forward to watching you crush it and hit your first 5K a month. Once you hit that, make sure to reach out to me and send over some screenshots. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.